Bonjour, sur le site de Rouler électrique, Daniel Breton. On est ici aujourd'hui pour interviewer M. Paul Hewitt, qui est Product Manager, directeur de produits pour Chevrolet Canada pour la Chevrolet Volt 2016. Hi, Mr. Hewitt.
Daniel, nice to be here.
I want you to talk to us a bit about the differences regarding the drivetrain and the engine between the 2015 and the 2016.
Well, the changes are basically complete. There's nothing new, nothing carryover from the 2015 to 2016 as far as the engine and drivetrain go.
New engine, new drivetrain.
Yeah, new engine, new drivetrain. So we've gone from a 1.4 liter to 1.5 liter.
Okay.
Obviously, people go, why did you go to a slightly bigger displacement? Well, this is the right size engine for the Volt based on all of the design work that we've done. So it's a little bit larger, but because of direct injection in the engine and higher compression ratio, basically the engine runs at a more relaxed RPM but can produce more power.
Okay.
So therefore your fuel economy improves even when you're running in extended range mode.
By about what percentage?
Fuel economy goes up only about 10%.
So you have 10% more fuel economy when the gas engine is running.
Right. Yeah.
Tell us about this module and the differences that there are between this and that.
Well, the drive unit is where the big changes are,
Right.
and there's significant weight savings. Right away, if you look at this unit up top here, which is part of the Gen 1 drive pack,
Okay.
versus if you come over and look at Gen 2, where this is really that same unit right here.
Okay.
So this is the traction inverter module. This is converting your AC power to DC and vice versa.
Okay.
So you can see that this one is an integrated unit.
Okay.
Basically, so you're saving basically the space of integrating it right into the drive unit, and you can see in the Gen 1 unit, you can see the 6 high voltage cables. Right away, there's big weight savings there. So then on top of that, if you look into the cutaways of each one, I know it's probably difficult to see, but the two motors are displayed here and here, with this being the primary drive motor and this being the secondary drive motor. Now, they are closer in size to each other than they used to be in Gen 1,
Okay.
where they've gone from 111 kilowatts and 55 kilowatts to 87 and 48. The differences is, in Gen 1, we primarily use the main drive motor just as a drive motor and the other motor basically just as a generator.
Okay.
Now in Gen 2, we let both motors work together depending on the scenario of driving, whether it's city, highway speed, high speed acceleration. They work together better and they both can provide acceleration as well as regeneration capabilities.
So you have more flexibility, is that it?
Yeah. So you're utilizing both motors together. So even though the primary drive motor is slightly smaller, it's getting assistance from the secondary motor. So the actual overall total power is basically the power output's the same, but the torque capabilities of the car have gone from 272 foot-pounds to 295 foot-pounds of torque.
And what about weight?
Well, the weight is also big because when you get smaller motors with reduced mass savings and you integrate the traction inverter module, you save about 100.
And you lose the cables as well.
Yeah, and you lose the cables as well. You save about 100 pounds or 45 kilograms on just the drive unit alone.
That's
That's
interesting.
it's significant savings.
Okay, well, thanks a lot.
No problem.